How to add all followers as close friends at once on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, under the Who Can See Your Content tab, tap on the Close Friends option. You will now be able to view the list of all your close friends. Now, if you want to add all your followers as close friends, then go ahead and simply select all your friends one by scrolling through and tap on the Done button. The Instagram algorithm will basically show your closest friends and the friends that you have interacted with the most at first. And if a follower does not appear, you can use the search bar to find them manually. Tap on the Done button once you have added everyone you want. This method is straightforward but can be time-consuming if you have many followers. So, this is how you can add all followers as close friends at once on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.